Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase the Vatican Museum and Sistine Chapel tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the long wait times and annoying queues, you can purchase the tickets online using the first link you can find right here down in the description. So once you've opened up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. It doesn't matter if you're on your mobile or PC, the process is going to go exactly the same. You're going to click the check button right here. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates you can purchase the tickets for. So you can select any of the dates right here. Let's say I want to purchase them for the 6th. I'm going to click the 6th, and then it's going to enable me to choose our experience that we want to go ahead and use. So let's go ahead and select one of the experiences, and then we can go ahead and select the time slot as well. You can select any time slot, and then it's going to show you the type of tickets you can purchase. So let's say I'm an adult, and if you have any children with you, you can purchase tickets for them as well. So select the tickets right here and then click next. Once you click next, it's going to take you to this page right here where you can find similar tickets that you can purchase to save money. If you're not interested in these trips right here, just click no thanks and click the next button to take you to this page right here where you can get started filling out all your info. So fill out your first name, last name, and your phone number, and once you've done so, you can click next to go to the payment page. So here you can go ahead and provide your full name as well. So once you've done so, click the next page, and from here you can get started with selecting what payment method you want to use. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit, credit card, or PayPal. So once you've selected the payment method of your choice, provide all the payment method information, after which you can click the pay button, and once you purchase the tickets, they're going to arrive to your email address you used for signing up. So make sure to take a look at the description and find the link there to go and get the tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.